If you want to clean your house without pulling a muscle and treating it like an Olympic sport, then here is my one thing that you should stop doing. Stop scrubbing it off straight away. Most products now have something called a dwell period, which is where they need time to let anything, some chemicals, but they need all the things inside to soak in and do the hard work for you. They need time to sit and pick up all that grime already, so that then when you come to wipe it away, it comes off so much easier. So don't just spray and scrub as quick as you can. Chill out. Go and do another little job whilst you wait for it to soak. Then go back and sort it all out. In my little clip today, I am cleaning my bedroom windows. It was a beautiful day outside, I think, as you can see by the video. My two top products for this, and no, I'm not getting paid, are the Bowl Professional Glass Window Cleaner, which is like a spray, absolutely incredible. We got this from Amazon. And then also my ultimate favourite is the Minky Glass Cloth, this bright green cloth. Absolutely brilliant. Couldn't recommend it enough. So for those windows, get those two products and you're on to a winner.